Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to the Olive Board platform once again. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at Olive Board platform. So my dear friends, till date, till now, I am pretty sure, I am damn sure you have covered each single things which is required, which is important, which is vital from the exam point of view. The person who is targeting for tier 2 exam, so this session is meant for them. This session is going to be really amazing for them, right? So let's start the session. In this session we will discuss some curated, some important questions, some PYQs targeting tier 2 exam. So let's start without wasting time. Here we go. First question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Many times students think that the simple questions are not asked in the tier 2 exam. Only tough questions are asked. It is not so, right? See, many times you also get some simple question like this. Now the question is saying, see, here the question is saying, when a number is increased by 24, see, when a number is increased by 24, it means the number is increased by 24, then the number become 115 of itself. If the number become 115 of itself, it means the number is increased by, original number is always 100%, it has become 115, so it is increased by 15%. So simple, we can say that 15% is equal to 24. Then what is the value for 1%? So here you can apply unitary rule, right? So 24 divided by 15. Now the question is tasked demanding or targeting original number, then multiply by 100 simply. So we can say that by 3 it is 5 times, by 3 it is 8 times, and by 5 this is 20 times. 8 into 20, so we can say that 160 is the right answer. 160 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Again, very simple question, right? So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. My dear friends, this question belongs to probability section. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please read the question completely. See, the question is saying the probability of A and B clearing an exam is 2/3 and 3/4 respectively. What is the probability that at least one of them clears the exam? Yes. See, the question is demanding at least one student clear the exam. At least one of them clear the exam. See, the probability for at least, always given by 1 minus none. Always given by 1 minus none. Here at least one clear the exam, it means 1 minus none clear the exam. 1 minus none clear the exam, right? So we know that the probability for clearing the exam by A is given by 2/3, right? So what is the probability for not clearing the exam by A? So we can say that 1 minus 2/3, so it will be 1/3, simple. We know that the probability for clearing the exam by B is given by 3/4. For not clearing the exam by B is going to be 1/4, right? So simply I can say that 1 minus none of them is going to clear. It means probability of A not clearing the exam into probability for B not clearing the exam. So simply we can say that 1 minus 1/3 into 1/4, right? So we can say that 1 minus 1 upon 12. So 11/12 is the right answer. Very simple. 11/12 is the right answer. 11/12 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. Tell me, is this clear? Tell me, is this clear? So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, success comes to only those person who are eagerly waiting for that, or who are passionately working for the same, right? So if you are doing the things passionately, if you are working for the success passionately, so it will definitely come. No one can stop that, right? So this is the right time, this is the high time. Just gear up yourself, because tier 2 means something, right? After clearing this hurdle, your life will be changed totally or drastically, right? So your destiny is waiting for you. So keep your ambition high, keep your think high, right? And keep your preparation in a right direction at a right pace, right? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? See, by selling 40 articles, a shopkeeper get loss equal to selling price of 4 article. Find his profit percent. Find his profit percent. See, previous year question. We can do this question by two ways, right? One is conceptual approach and another is exam approach. So this is the high time. That's why I'm going to tell you only the exam approach, right? I'm not going to discuss with the basic concept or concept wise, right? So we can say that by selling 40 articles, a shopkeeper get a loss equal to selling price of 4 article. Whenever profit or loss is given in terms of CP or SP, right? So if the loss or profit, see here is the loss, and loss is given in terms of selling price. So let the selling price of one article is 1 rupee, right? If the selling price of one article is rupees 1, so we can say that the loss is going to be selling price of 4 articles, that is 4 rupee. Simple. Now tell me, if I sold, or if a shopkeeper sold 40 articles, so what will be the selling price? So we can say that what would be the selling price? So the selling price is going to be 40, right? See, selling price is 40 and loss is 4 rupees. So we can say that cost price is what? Cost price is selling price plus loss. So we can say that 40 plus 4, it is 44, right? So loss percent is going to be loss upon CP. Loss is 4 divided by 44 into 100, right? So by 4 it is 11 times. So we can say that 11 1s are 11, sorry, 11 9s are 90, 9. So 9 whole 1 upon 11%, 9 whole 1 upon 11% loss, or we can say that 9.09% loss. So here the loss is 9.09%. 9.09% is the right answer. Yes, 9.09% is the right answer. Very good question, right? So moving forward, see, if you understand this, right? So no need to write all this, right? If you understand the basic concept, so directly you can say that selling price of one article is 1 rupee. So there is a loss of 4 rupees, right? And the selling price is 40. So what would be the cost price? After selling something for 40, right, I'm getting a loss of 4 rupees. So we can say that cost price is 40 plus 4, that is 44 into 100. So by 4 it is 11 times. So in single line I can say that 9.09 is the right answer, right? No need to write or no need to solve it further, right? So just putting the things like this, we can answer in single step, right? So my dear friends, moving to next question. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. Yes, please. See, the cost price of an article is 16% less than its selling price. See, the cost price is 16% less than the selling price. So here the base is going to be the selling price. If my selling price is rupees 100, then cost price is less than 16. It means there is a profit of 16, right? So directly I can say that there is a profit of 16 at what? At the cost price. And cost price is 16% less than the selling price. So 100 minus 16, so it is going to be 84 into 100. So in single step I can do this. In single step I can do this. By 4 it is 4 times. By 4 it is 21 times. See, if I consider it 20, right? So it will cancel 100 5 times. So 5 into 2, how much? 20%. So it is near to 20% or below 20%. Not going to exceed the 20%. So we can say that it is going to the 90%. So loss is, sorry, what is the profit or loss? See, the cost price of an article is 16%. So there is a profit of 19%, right? So there is a profit of 19%. So in single line, we can say that there is a profit of 19%, right? So there is a profit of 19%, right? Clear? Quite clear? Moving forward. So this question belongs to algebra. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, root x plus 1 upon root x is equal to 3. Then find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Yes, please. Everyone. Yes, please. Everyone. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if we have to calculate the value for x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? So if I say that x plus 1 upon x is equal to k. So we can say that k cube minus 3k, right? But here we have root x plus 1 upon root, right? So we must know that if root x plus 1 upon root x is equal to p, right? So the value for x plus 1 upon x is going to be what? P square minus 2. Just square forward. So we can say that the value for x plus 1 upon x is going to be square of 3 minus 2. So it will be equal to how much? 7, right? 7. Now what is the value for cube? So it is going to be 7 cube minus 3 into 7. So we can simply say that 343 minus 21. So simply we can say that 322 is the right answer. 322 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Now moving forward. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, if x bracket 3 minus 2 upon x is equal to 3 by x, then find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. To answer x cube minus 1 upon x cube, we must know what is the value for x minus 1 upon x. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to k, the value for x cube minus 1 upon x cube is going to be x to the power 3 plus 3k, right? So you better know what is the formula, because I am damn sure you are through with all these, right? So you must remember all these concepts, all these formulas, everything must be on your tips, right? So I am very much confident, I am damn sure everything is on your tips. Now you are just practicing and you are giving brush up, or we can say you are brushing up your knowledge, right? Yes. See, we can say that just multiply by x in the bracket. So we will get 3x minus 2x, x got cancelled, is equal to 3 by x, right? So transfer 3 by x to the left side and transfer 2 to the right side. So 3x minus 3 by x is equal to 2. Take the 3 common and shift it to the right side. So we can say that x minus 1 upon x is equal to 2 by 3, right? So take the 3 common and shift it to the right side. Okay, so we can say that x minus 1 upon x is equal to 2 by 3. So the value for x cube minus 1 upon x cube is going to be 2 by 3 whole cube plus 3 into 2 by 3. By 3 cancel. So 8 by 27 plus 2. So simply I can say that 8 plus 27 into 2, 54 divided by 27, right? So we can say that 62 divided by 27. 62 divided by 27. So C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, whenever you see this type of structure, right? So you must feel happy inside your heart, right? So the happiness, the bliss must arise from the heart, because these are the structure which is well known, right? So we can say that the value for this is directly going to be 256 divided by 32, right? So we can say that the answer is going to be 8. So it is cancelled 8 times. So A part is the right answer, because we are very much clear that the product of this one and this one is going to this one, right? So we are very much clear that the product of this and this is equal to this. Yes. So if the product of both is equal to this, so we have to calculate the value for one. So divide the product by the another part. Simple. Yes. So need not to explain more about this, right? So moving forward, see, we must know that 1 plus 3r plus 9r square into 1 minus 3r plus 9r square is equal to 1 plus 9r square plus 81r to the power 4. Right? So there is no confusion regarding this. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, whenever just you have a look on this figure, right? So one thing will be coming in your mind. There are 2 or 3 formulas or 3 or 4 formulas regarding this, right? So we can say that the value for APA or AP into BP is equal to CP into DP, right? So in the figure, chords AB and CD of a circle intersect externally at P. Whenever two chords are going to intersect at external point, right? So take the length from each end of the chord to the meeting point, right? From each, just listen, you have to take the distance from the each end of the chord to the meeting point, right? So simply we can say that AP into BP is equal to what? CP into DP, right? So the meeting point, or we can say that intersection point, is common in all, right? So we have to take the length from the each end point of the chord to the meeting point, right? Is this clear? So remember this, right? So remember this from A to P and from B to P, from C to P and D to P, simply. So we know that, see, AB and CD are the intersect externally at P. If AB is equal to, see, AB is equal to 4, AB is equal to 4 and CD is equal to 11, CD is equal to 11 and PD is equal to 15. See, PD is equal to 15, complete one. PD is equal to 15. Then find the length of PB. Simple, find the length of PB. Just put the data in the result, right? So AP is what? AP is, let AP is X, right? Or we can say that just put AP. And BP is what? BP is going to be, if I say that it is X, right? So BP is what? X plus 4. X plus 4 is equal to CP. CP is what? CP is 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11, that is 4. And DP is what? 15, right? So simply we can say that X into X plus 4 is equal to 60, right? So we have to break this in two parts, so that X into X plus 4 is going to be what? Is going to be what? 60. So we can break it 10 into, or we can break it 6 into 10, right? See, 6 into 10, 6 into 10, no need to form the quadratic equation. 6 into 10, so we can say that 6 plus 4, so it is going to satisfy. So X is equal to 6, so I can assume X is equal to 6, X is equal to 6. Then the length of PB, see, the length of PB is what? Length of PB is X plus 4, so X plus 4 is going to be what? 10, right? Clear? So we can say that X plus 4 is going to be 10. So the length of PB is equal to 10. So C part is the right answer. So simple, we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, in the given figure, PQ is equal to PS. PQ is equal to PS. See, whenever two sides of a triangle are equal, right? We know that two sides of a triangle are equal. If two sides of the triangle are equal, so their opposite angles are also equal, right? So we can say that if this angle is theta, or this is equal to theta, right? So our PS is equal to PR. So we can say that this is alpha and this is alpha, right? So alpha plus alpha is equal to, so theta is equal to 2 alpha, because external angle. Yes or no? So we know this property. In question is saying QPS is equal to 40. See, QPS is equal to 40 degree. If QPS is equal to 40 degree, so we can say that the remaining angle are equal and the sum of all three angle is going to be 180 degree. So angle Q plus angle S is equal to what? So 180 minus 40, 140, right? So 140 divided by 2. So we can say that 70 and 70. And angle S is equal to what? This plus this. And both angle are similar. So this is going to be 70 by 2, 70 by 2. So we can say 35, 35, right? Simple. See, the external angle of a triangle is always equal to opposite interior angles, right? And opposite interior angles are equal because we have opposite sides equal, right? So we can say that 35, 35. So the complete angle QPR is going to be, angle QPR is going to be 40 plus 35. That is 75 degree, right? So 75 degree is the right answer. Yes, 75 degree is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So my dear friends, moving ahead, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, very good question, very good question. See, the average age of 11 cricket players is 25 years. See, the average age of 11 cricket players is 25 years. If the age of coach is also included, the average age increases by 18%. See, the average age is increased by 18%. It means that the age of coach is more than 25. Yes or no? Because see, the average of 11 players is 25. When we include the age of coach, so my average is going to be increased, right? So by how much it will be increased? So it will be increased by the extra age or extra value, right? So what is the extra value? See, what are the total observations? So total observation is, see, the total observation is 11 plus 1, right? See, 11 cricketers and 1 coach, so we can say that total, so total 12 into, so the average is increased by 25%. See, 25% of, sorry, 18% of 25, 18% of 25. Simply just solve it, right? So we can say that by 25 it is 4 times, by 4 it is 3 times. So 25 plus 18 3s are 54. So we can say that 79 is the right answer. As simple as it looking. As simple as it is looking, right? So we can say that 79 is the right answer. So my dear friends, moving to next question. Again, very good question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, in the following figure, AB is equal to 1 centimeter and AC is equal to, see, AB is equal to 1 centimeter and AC is equal to 2, right? And AD is the angle bisector. See, AD is the angle bisector, and angle bisector means this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta, means AD is bisecting the angle A, right? So through the, or according to the property of angle bisector, we know that the angle bisector always divide the opposite side in the same ratio in which the sides are, which are framing or constituting this angle, right? So simply I can say that the BD, the ratio for, see, the ratio for BD is to DC is equal to what? Is equal to what? AB is to AC, right? So simply we can say that this is going to be 1:2. 1:2, yes or no? So this is 1 and this is 2. See, the question is saying what is the ratio of the area of triangle? What is the ratio of the area of triangle BDE and triangle ECD? Triangle BDE, see, triangle BDE. So we have two triangles, see, triangle BDE, see this triangle, and triangle ECD, triangle ECD. See, so both triangle, so the height for the both triangle is same, right? Height for the both triangle is same. If two triangles have the same height, so we can say that if two triangles have the same height, so the ratio of their areas are going to be equal to the ratio of their base, to the ratio of their base. Is this clear? If I say that there are two triangle, if I say that there are two triangle and they are, see, 1/2 into B1 into H, right, and 1/2 into B2 into H, their height is same, right? By half cancel, so we can say their area is going to be in the ratio of their base, right? If we have two triangle, their height is going to be the same. What is the area for triangle? 1/2 base into height, 1/2 base into height. So here is B1, here is the base B2. So whatever is the ratio for base for both triangle, right? So that is also going to represent the ratio of area, right? Ratio of area of that triangle, right? So I can simply say that the ratio of the area of triangle BDE and ECD is going to be their base. So their base are BD is to CD, right? So we can say that 1:2. So 1/2 is the right answer. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So very good question. Very good question. Now moving to next question. Now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, question is saying divide 43 into two parts so that 4 times of the one part and 7 times of the another part are together. 226. See, we can solve this question by the option, right? By checking the option, we can solve the question. Otherwise, we will have to form the equation and we will have to use the concept of elimination, right? So elimination approach will be used, so it will take much time, right? So we are not going to waste our time. First of all, check we divide 43 into two parts. It means the sum of both parts must be 43, right? See, 10, 24, it is not 43, so not possible. It is 43 and this is also 43 and this is also 43. Now check, see, the 4 times of the first, 4 times of the first means 100, 4 times of the first means 100 and 7 times of the second, right? So 18 7 126. and the sum of another is together is 226, right? So it is going to match, right? 226. So luckily first option which we have checked is providing the or satisfying the given condition, so we can say that this is the right answer. So we are not going to check it further, right? So B part is the right answer. So see, we can easily answer it. So B part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Very good question. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Take your time. Very good question. Just tell me what is the answer of this question. Very good question. See, in a triangle PQR, the length of the sides PQ and PR are 18 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter respectively, right? See, in a triangle PQR, in a triangle PQR, the length of the sides of PQ and PR, so this is 18 and this is, and S is a point on the line segment QR and PS is perpendicular. See, PS is perpendicular, so this is the perpendicular, okay, height. This is equal to, PS is equal to 5, right? What is the radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle? See, what is the formula for circumscribing? So we must remember the formula, right? So see, whenever we are drawing perpendicular from a vertex, right? So take the product of the side, which is from which the perpendicular is drawn, right? So take the product of the length of the side from which perpendicular is drawn. So we can say that AQ into PR, right? AQ into PR, and just divide it by twice of the height drawn from the same vertex, right? By PS, right? So this is the formula, right? So see, this is the formula of circumradius. A into B, or we can say that, sorry, A into C divided by 2H, right? So you must remember that this height must be drawn from the vertex from which A and C are coming. Got the point? Yes or no? Yes. So we can remember. So do not remember like this, right? So just remember this from the formula. Okay. So just remember this formula from the figure only, right? See, from vertex P we have two sides, PQ and PR. So take the product of both. So we can say that what is the product? So 18 into 7.5 divided by twice of how much? 5, right? So we can say that remove the point. So here you will get 10, right? So 5 into 10, right? So by 5 it is 15 time, okay? And by 5 it is 3 time, by 5 it is 2 time, okay? So by 2 it is 9 time. So we can say that 9 into 3, 27 divided by 2. So we can say that 13.5 centimeter is the right answer, okay? So B part is the right answer. Very good question. Very good question. B part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Again, very simple question. We know that the product of, or everyone know that, right? Everyone know that the product of any two number is always equal to the product of their HCF and LCM, right? See, here we have the product of LCM and HCF, that is 6750, right? So we can say that the numbers are 6x into 5x. So it is going to be equal 6750. Directly we can say that. So by 6 it is cancelled. Or we can say that, see, 6 into 5 how much? 30, right? So we can say that 30x square is equal to 6750. 0 0 get cancelled, by 3 it is 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. So x is equal to what? Square root of 225, that is equal to 15. We know that. So x is equal to 15. See, x is equal to 15. If x is equal to 15, what is the sum of the number? So sum of the number, so it is going to be 11x, right? See, 5x plus 6x, 6x plus 5x, it is going to be 11x, right? So 11 into 15, right? So 5 6 1, right? So 165 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. D, Daredevil, is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, if O is the circumcenter of the triangle, if O is the circumcenter, see, if O is the circumcenter of the triangle OQR, if O is the circumcenter of the triangle PQR, PQR, and angle OQR is equal to, OQR is, see, O is circumcenter, right? Angle OQR, so it is 30 degree, right? See, if O is the circumcenter, so we can say that OQ and OR, see, OQ and OR both are the radius, so they must be equal. So if this is equal to this, right, so their opposite angle must be equal. So this angle is also going to be 30 degree. Makes sense? Yes, is it clear? So we can say that this angle is what? 180 minus 30, 30, 60. 180 minus 60, so it is 120. So opposite vertex angle is always half of the angle which is made at the circumcenter, right? So it is going to be 60 degrees. Simple. So 60 degree is the right answer. Angle QPR is equal to 60 degree. Very, very easy, right? So it is quite easy. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, if the diameter of the base of a right circular cylinder is reduced by 33 whole 1/3%. If the diameter is reduced, it means the radius will also get reduced by the same percentage, right? If I reduce the diameter by x%, so my radius will also be reduced by x%, right? The same treatment is given, and the height is doubled. If the height is doubled, see, if I reduce the diameter by 33 whole 1/3%, so my radius will also get reduced. So initial and final, the ratio for radius is going to be 3:2, right? 3:2. So we have to calculate the volume. So ratio ratio for r square, right? So just make it square, and the ratio for height, so it is double, right? So initially it is 1, now it is 2, right? So we can say that 3 square into 1, so 9, and 2 square, how much? 4 into 2, 8, right? So we can say that the ratio for volume, initially volume was 9 unit, now it is 8 unit. So it got reduced by 1 unit, right? So it got reduced by 1 unit, right? So if it is got reduced by 1 unit, so what is the percentage change? So 1 divided by 9 into 100. So we can say that there is a decrease of 11 whole 1 upon 9%, right? So decrease by 11 whole 1 upon 9%. Decrease by 11 whole 1 upon 9%. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, many students try this question by the traditional approach and by the rule. Whenever you see the decimal number and you have to calculate the LCM, just convert it into fraction, right? This is the basic process, right? So every student do the question like this, okay? And they follow the set pattern, set formula whenever you have to calculate the LCM for fractions, right? So take the LCM for the numerator value and take the HCF for the denominator, right? So by this approach, if you will go, so you will not reach to the right answer easily, right? So I tell you the simple concept for looking the LCM, right? So many times just focus on the highest number. See which one is the highest here? 3.6, right? 3.6 is the highest number. So just try or just check whether the remaining number is completely going to divide it or not. If I divide 3.6 by 1.8, so it is going to completely divide? Yes. If I divide 3.6 by 0.144, right? So point remove 1000, right? So point remove, I will get here 10, 0, 0 get cancelled. By 36 it is how many times? 4 times, right? So by 4 it is 25. So it is also going to divide. So we can say that the maximum number when is divided by remaining number completely. So the maximum number is going to be the LCM, right? So we will treat the maximum number as LCM if the maximum number is completely divided by the remaining numbers, right? So here this concept is satisfying. So without wasting time, you can say that 3.6 is the LCM. Very good question. Very good question. So my dear friends, moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this question belongs to dishonest shopkeeper, and we all know that the profit percent or loss percent in dishonest given by profit quantity divided by given quantity into 100. This is the basic formula, right? Profit quantity divided by given quantity into 100, right? So simply I can say that at a petrol pump, the operator gives 10% less petrol. If he is giving 10% less petrol for a price, it means he is going to save 10%. So there is a profit of 10%. So we can say that he is getting 10% profit. And how much is giving? 10% less. It means it is giving 90%, right? So just make it 100, right? So just multiply by 100. So 1 upon 9 is equal to 11 whole 1 upon 9%. 11 whole 1 upon 9%. So the profit is equal to 11 whole 1 upon 9%. 11 whole 1 upon 9% is the right answer. Very simple, right? So moving forward, my dear friend, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, Flipkart offers a variety of discount that ranges from 25% to 40%. Flipkart offers a variety of discount that ranges 25% to 40%, both inclusive, right? If the mobile phone is discounted to a price of rupees 27,000, then its greatest possible original price. So my dear friend, this is your homework. Try this question on your own, right? So this is good question. Try this question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. How many kg of buffalo milk costing rupees 45 kg should a milkman mix with 20 kg of cow milk costing rupees 35 per kg, so that the milkman makes a profit of 25% on selling the mixture at 50 per kg? Again, very good question. Try this question on your own. homework, right? So yes, see the angle between perpendicular and angle bisector. The angle between perpendicular and angle bisector is always given by half of the difference of opposite angle, right? So we can say that it is going to be 10 degree, right? It is going to be 10 degree. So you have to remember such formulas. So this is all from my side. So my dear friends, if you haven't downloaded the app of the Olive Board, so please download the app, because it will provide you lots of benefit, right? You will get the access for the free classes running at the app also. Yes, we have free classes on the app also, right? So you can get the benefit of those classes. And if you want to prepare with us, right, so you can prepare with us. So there is a very good opportunity for SSC CGL 2024 mega workshop is going to be conducted, right? So this will be conducted on Saturday, December 21st at 6 to 7 p.m, right? So you can join this, right? And if you want to check out the courses, just go to the Olive Board website, right? So where you just click on the course section, right? So after clicking the course section, you will get this interface, right? So the very fresh and very new batch that is running, or that is providing you the boost, that is SSC CGL tier 2, right? Revision plus practice batch. And this is the selection batch, right? So if you want to prepare, so you can join this batch, right? So just scroll down to the 4th row, you will get the selection batch, right? SSC CGL tier 2. And if you are targeting for the next session 2025, right, and you want to prepare for your exam, for the upcoming exam from the zero level, from the scratch, right? So we also have foundation courses for SSC as well as for railway, right? So both are very good batch, right? So we will start in both batches from the basic, from the zero, and will take to you to the advanced level. Everything will be taught in this batch, whether it is concept, whether it is short tricks, whether it is logical approach, whether it is exam approach, whether there are lots of options, right? So go by option, unit digit approach, right? So you will get each and everything through this batch, and you can complete your preparation with ease, because we have plenty of time, we have enough of time, right? So this is the high time to start your preparation. So my dear friends, this is all from my side. So let's call it a day. So see, for any query, if you have, you can WhatsApp your query on this number, or you can also join our official Telegram channel, right? So thank you God, thank you guys, thank you very much, for your love and support, and stay tuned with us. I come live at 5 p.m, so don't forget to catch me at 5 p.m. So with this, Jai Hind for today. Thank you guys.